Lapping. Drinking or touching something with the tongue in quick small movements. She was lapping water from the stream with cupped hands like a thirsty traveler. The puppy kept lapping milk from the bowl. Foraging. Searching around for food or useful things. She was foraging in the forest for wild berries and mushrooms. The birds were foraging for seeds after the rain. Shuddering. Shaking suddenly because of fear, cold, or strong emotion. She was shuddering in the cold wind on the empty road. He gave a shudder when he heard the strange noise. Rummaging. Searching through things in a messy or hurried way. She was rummaging through her backpack looking for her lost phone. I rummaged in the drawer to find my keys. Tarmac. The runway area at an airport where planes move and park. She stood alone on the airport tarmac watching the plane prepare for takeoff. The workers were guiding the aircraft across the wet tarmac. Cyclone. A powerful spinning storm with strong winds and heavy rain. She was running for shelter as the cyclone winds grew stronger. The cyclone damaged several houses near the coast.
Easy now, settle.
Rearing. Rising up on back legs, usually animals, or lifting upward suddenly. The horse was rearing up as she tried to calm it. The snake reared its head before striking. Hoisting. Lifting something heavy upward. She was hoisting a heavy flag up the tall pole. They hoisted the luggage onto the roof of the car. Rasping. Making a rough, harsh sound, like a tired or sick voice. She spoke in a rasping voice after shouting all night. His rasping cough worried everyone. Buckling. Fastening something, or bending under pressure. She was buckling her seatbelt before the car started moving. The old bridge was buckling under heavy weight. Crackles. Make small sharp popping sounds. The fire crackles in front of her as she warms her hands. The radio crackled with static noise. Wagging. Moving something side to side quickly, like a tail or finger. She stood with hands on hips, wagging her finger in warning. The dog was wagging its tail happily. Yanking. Pulling something suddenly and with force. She was yanking the stuck door open with both hands. He yanked the cable out of the socket. Lathering. Covering something with soap foam. She was lathering shampoo into her hair under the shower. He lathered his face before shaving.
Hey everyone! Hi, over here! Good to see you!
Folks. People in general, or parents, friendly word.
You too! Hey everyone!
She waved at the folks gathered in the town square.
Hey everyone!
My folks are visiting this weekend.
You too!
Heedless. Not paying attention, careless. She crossed the street in a heedless hurry. He made a heedless decision and regretted it later. Timorous. Shy, nervous, or easily frightened. She gave a timorous smile before stepping onto the stage. The timorous child hid behind his mother. Skittering. Moving lightly and quickly in short, sudden steps. The tiny mouse was skittering across the kitchen floor, trying to hide. She watched leaves skittering across the sidewalk in the wind.
I don't know how to say this, but I've been feeling so uncertain lately.
Faltering. Moving unsteadily or hesitating in action, voice, or movement. Her voice was faltering as she tried to explain what happened. He was faltering on the icy path, afraid of slipping. Lurking. Staying hidden or moving secretly, often waiting to act. She felt someone lurking in the shadows outside her window. The cat was lurking behind the couch, ready to pounce on the toy. Daft. Silly or slightly foolish, not serious. She made a daft mistake and laughed at herself. That was a daft idea, but it was funny.
And then he said, I never met a mirror I didn't like. Honey, at this
Lampoon. To make fun of someone in a sharp or funny way.
point, the mirror doesn't like you either.
She lampooned the greedy politician in her school play.
The mirror doesn't like you either.
The comedian lampooned celebrities in his show.
Honey, at this point, the mirror doesn't like you either.
Dadster. A playful word for a dad, usually in a funny or loving way. She hugged her dadster after he fixed her broken bike. The dadster tried to dance but embarrassed everyone. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.